In this video, we will discuss another word problem on percentage. The problem states that Scarlett had 7,500 rupees. She paid a debt of 1,500 rupees. Find the percentage of the remaining amount. Let's start its solution. Let's write total amount Scarlett had is 7,500 rupees. She paid debt which is equal to 1,500 rupees. Now we will find the remaining amount, which will be 7,500 minus 1,500, and it is equal to 6,000 rupees. Now we will find the percentage of remaining amount. To find the percentage of remaining amount, we will divide the remaining amount, that is 6,000, by total amount, that is 7,500, and multiply it with 100%. When we will calculate this quantity, we get 80%. So, percentage of remaining amount is 80%.